A co-boss from Taiyuan, Shanxi. See how we professionally refurbish a Toyota SUV, transported directly 1200 kilometers to the shop. With no budget limit, he completely rebuilt his old car, which he drove 320,000 kilometers, from the body to the chassis to the engine. Not for anything else, just for the sentiment and memories of the old car. We spent 1 month witnessing the transformation of this car, from this to this. Let's start watching the entire rebuild process. Strip it clean.
Separation of body and chassis. Serious engine oil leak. As long as it all hardens with age. The great Liang's work seeks death. The chassis was packed with mud, so we removed the engine, dismantled the chassis, and carried out a full cleaning. Let's start disassembling the engine. Severe carbon buildup in the intake tract causing restricted airflow. Various types of wheelchairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Ultrasonic cleaning of engine parts. Preparing to start, all chassis bushings and rubber mounts will be completely replaced. All the oil and water in the dish were replaced. Screw washer replacement. Shock absorbers need to be handed over. Parking is not allowed either. Egg porridge for maintenance. Restoration of old production methods. Engine preparation complete. Assembly begins with one technician per engine. The police officer used a wrench and a sword to take the suspect away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Engine assembly completed. Fuel injector cleaning test. Perfect. The entire vehicle paint had aged, so it was repainted with full surface sanding preparation. Spray primer. And fine sanding to ensure a smooth paint surface. The paint spraying process begins and becomes clear. The effect after being sprayed with a hard weapon. The old man, suffering from an unpleasant odor, pointed to his feet. Clean the car interior. When reworking the exhaust, it must not be left hollow and must be properly separated to avoid internal cavity resonance. The fireproof sealant can last for a year, and the insulation layer is pulled tight. Redo the soundproofing. Add another layer of eco-friendly white flour. Hello, the whole vehicle is basically finished. The undercarriage has been thoroughly cleaned. Body and chassis integration. Start. The original beige interior was changed to black. 2 rounds of spraying and 2 rounds of baking ensure it won't peel easily. Carry a burden. As a wealthy and widely recognized individual, you are perfect. Interior that has been camouflaged and renovated. Full vehicle inspection. Beauty polishing. 4-wheel alignment. Finally, the entire car was thoroughly cleaned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.